Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start building websites with Wix easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Wix, first, visit the Wix website at www.wix.com. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. You will be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address and choose a password, or sign up using a social media account. After signing in, you can choose to start with a template or use the Wix ADI for an AI-driven experience. If you prefer a template, browse through the extensive library of designs. Select a template that aligns with your vision and click Edit. This will open the Wix editor, where you can customize your site. On the left side, you will see various options for adding elements like text, images, and videos. To add a new element, click on the Add button. Choose the type of element you want, such as a picture or a text box. Once added, you can drag and drop it to your desired location on the page. To edit text, simply click on the text box and start typing. You can change fonts, sizes, and colors in the text settings panel on the right. For images, click on the photo you added to replace it with your own. You can also adjust the image settings, such as filters and cropping. To add new pages, click on the Menus and Pages icon on the left. Select Add Page and choose the type of page you want to create. Organize your pages by dragging them in the order you prefer. To link buttons or text to these pages, select the element and choose Link in the settings. Preview your website by clicking the Preview button at the top right corner. This allows you to see how your site will look to visitors. Once satisfied, click the Publish button to make your website live. You will receive a free Wix domain starting with wixsite.com. For a custom domain, follow the prompts to upgrade your plan. Explore additional features like SEO settings and social media integrations in the dashboard. Regularly save your work as you build to avoid losing any progress. Once published, share your site link with friends or clients to start receiving feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.